Hey everyone, how are you? How was your weekend? Did anything interesting? Write in the comments and let us know. For today's episode, we wanted to show you a part of Iranians' life at the end of the year. We have mentioned before that as the year is getting closer to its end, people are more eager to shop. You can see it here as well, that it's more lively at this time. Let's enjoy this together and explore what's it like. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. The channel's link are in the description. So make sure to follow us on Telegram as well. And the Instagram ID is also there. Don't forget to follow us. Now, let's begin the walk. It might be a bit familiar because we've been here before. It's Tajrish, but we wanted to show you what's it like during the time that sun is out. When you get off Tajrish station from subway and walk straight, you'll find yourself here. There are deli shops with delicious food. Like we just walk past by snack shop that is popular for its french fries. And it was a bit crowded. There was a juice shop next to it. We ordered from it. I ordered carrot juice and my partner ordered an apple orange juice, which was more delicious. I wish I swapped. There are smaller shopping malls than we've shown you, but the stores have gorgeous clothes. I saw these pants, kinda cream, and it would have gone so well with that top I saw at the other store. You can make cool outfits from there. One shop sold big bowls of french fries and chicken wings. I wish I could get a bowl, but I was full. And the line was a bit much. One thing I didn't expect to see this year was the Haji Firuz. And I'm glad I could see him because feels like people are drifting away from the culture and traditions. Haji Firuz is like Santa Claus in Iran. You can look it up in Google. It's a symbol of Nowruz, the Iranian New Year, and it brings joy and happiness. They play an instrument and sing happy songs, old songs. Anyway, there is this mall that has so many stores for gold and jewelry and watches. And I have a weird and special taste in gold and jewelry. I really don't like gold. I don't find it, I'm not attracted to it. And it's really hard for me to choose a ring or a pair of earrings or a necklace. But this mall had some stores that really, they were my taste. Like they had what I wanted. It's weird and I really enjoyed that. So check it out. It's really crowded, isn't it? People are getting busier and more eager to buy stuff as the year is ending. Some force their kids to go with them. It's really not cool. I remember when I was a kid, my parents would go and shop together for both me and my brother because walking too much isn't comfortable for a kid. They would come home with bags and pockets full of stuff, and it would take us some time to get everything out of them and try them on. And I would even put out a small fashion show. There is an old bazaar here as well, mostly for fruits and nuts and saffron and spices. I bought dried fruit from a shop I visited before. I bought banana, kiwi, strawberry, apple, and plum. They are fresh and really clean and delicious. I think that's a healthier snack than chips. There are fruits here that you wouldn't casually find in every grocery store in the city because these fruits aren't common in this country and are expensive, like dragon fruit or blueberries and all. One dragon fruit costs about $4.5. It's not common to spend that much on one fruit. Anyways, of course there are other shops that sell other products, like a shop just for perfumes or just for shampoos. They have like so many brands, so you can find things you might be looking for. Another cool thing is that usually there aren't that many products for hair and skin for men here. Men don't spend that much time caring about hair and skin, and maybe that's because products aren't available for them. But here, one shop had so many items for only men, and I was fascinated by it. Anyway, we walked a bit towards Valias Street. Yeah, you heard me right. If you remember Valias, it started from Tahrir Square in the north of Tehran. The trees of Valias are really famous. Actually, Valias is famous for its trees, but unfortunately, they're getting old, and without proper care, they'll die soon, which will be a huge heartbreak. There are multiple bus stops in this street, as you see, so it's more comfortable for people to use public transportation. They can get off anywhere. Someplace there's a huge distance between two stations and makes it hard for people to use. There are plenty of cafes and restaurants in this street, so do not worry about getting hungry. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Enjoy the video. Lots of love, travel buddies.
در خدمت باشیم بفرمایید